Rent the castle and explore the best of Ireland by taking day trips to the many and varied tourist attractions. The castle is centrally located, making taking day trips north, south, east and west easy. The castle is a 2-hour drive from Dublin Airport, and most of the best tourist attractions are within a 2-hour drive. Grantstown Castle is a 6-storey tower house that is over 500 years old. In recent years it was restored to a high quality and fitted with modern day conveniences. The castle is 9 miles west of Cashel and located in the countryside, and is surrounded by rich farming land. Dairy farming and thoroughbred horse breeding and training are the main types of farming. The castle sleeps 7 adults. There are 4 bedrooms, 3 of which are double beds and 1 with a single bed. There is a bathroom, WC with shower, and 2 other WCs. The kitchen room is on the ground floor. The Great Hall is on the 4th floor. Within a 20-minute drive are the towns of Cashel and Tipperary that have a wide variety of supermarkets, shops, cafes, restaurants and pubs. Nearby is the small village of Thomastown, with a wonderful traditional bar and also a good restaurant. Information packages are provided that give details of a number of day trips showing the routes and times. For ease of navigation, a GPS navigator is provided with the destination stored. The following is a week's itinerary in brief. Day 1. Arrival at airport. Pick up hired car. Drive to Grantstown Castle. In the evening, visit a nearby supermarket or one of the many restaurants or Irish pubs. Day 2. Drive to Kilkenny, Feathered, Cahir Castle, Glen of Aherlow, and return to Grantstown Castle. Day 3. Drive to Bunratty Castle and Folk Park, Cliffs of Moher, cross the Shannon on the Collimer to Tarbert Ferry, return to Grantstown Castle. Day 4. Take a driving day trip and discover the local tourist attractions and outdoor activities. Day 5. Drive to Curramore House and Gardens. Dungarvan Seaside Town. Waterford Greenway. Lismore Castle Gardens. Knockmealdown Mountains and return to Grantstown. Day 6. Drive to Roscrea Castle and Damer House. Birr Castle, Science Centre and Gardens. Loch Derg Scenic Drive and return to Grantstown. Day 7. Drive to Middleton Jameson Distillery, Cove Harbour, Passage West Car Ferry, Blarney Castle and return to Grantstown. Day 8. Drive to airport and depart with many good memories. For further details, see our website. Please like, share and subscribe to see other similar videos. Thank you.